All right, class, this video is going to show you how to submit your assignment using Turnitin. Turnitin is a resource that students and instructors use to make sure that students are citing their sources and that they're submitting their original thought. So basically just not copying and pasting from someplace else. So it will run your run your work through basically through the whole world of the internet and let you know what percentage of material you have used from someone else. So it gives you the opportunity to make your corrections so that you don't violate Chafee's academic integrity policy. Okay. All right. So what you're going to do from the home page, you're going to scroll down to the paper. Right, click on the paper. It'll take you to the module. Open the paper up. I'm going to make the assumption already that you looked at the objectives and the assignment and that you have done it. So you're just ready to turn it in. Okay, so you're going to literally turn it in. So you scroll down to the bottom and you will see this upload submission. So it tells you what the name of the paper is. You're going to click upload submission. And then it allows you to pick a file from any place on your computer. You cannot use a mobile device. It will not work with a mobile device. So you will have to use it from a laptop or a laptop or a computer. Okay, so go ahead and choose your file wherever you are. It takes any file type, so it'll take a Word document or a PDF or a Keynote if that's what you use on Mac. Actually, that helps me because then I can actually see it. Okay, so I'm just going to pick something. I'm going to pick the syllabus. I'm going to upload the syllabus so I have something. It allows you to upload it and review. So after it's there, click upload and review. This takes a minute to upload. It takes longer on the Chafee network because our email moves a little, our network moves a little slow sometimes. Oh, I think this is like a 20-page document too. It's probably not helping any. Okay. So you are able to see every single page of your assignment here. Okay. You could preview, if you could click preview the submission, it would just make this window bigger. Okay. Go ahead and click submit to turn it in. So you will submit it. You will get the submission complete, and then you are good to go. You can X. Didn't even need to X out of here. Yeah. All right. So what you will get here is you will get a copy of your paper. Obviously, there's no grade in here yet. And right in this section where it says percentage, within about 10 minutes, you get a percentage report that will tell you what percentage of your document is borrowed, co-opted, not cited from another source. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this video on pause, and then when this populates, I will come back and tell you how to look at it and make any adjustments. Okay, we're back. So your report is generated. The report of what percentage of your paper has been borrowed from someone else has presented. It's right here. So I'm at 57% because I actually uploaded a copy of the syllabus. So we'll go and look at a second what that 57% is. I know I borrowed stuff from other places. You as a student, 57% would not be good. So that would mean more than half of your paper you have borrowed from somewhere else and have not given attribution. Okay. In all honesty, you really want to be 10 or 15%. You really want to be at 0. But I think, 10% would be acceptable. What you'll be able to do, what we'll do next is you'll be able to actually look at the report so you can make changes. And I am allowing for resubmission. So you can look at the report, make your changes, and then you can resubmit. Okay, so if we click on the percentage, a new window pops up and it tells you where everything came from. So again, this tells me 57% of my paper has a similarity to something out on the internet or in the world. So if you click this, it pops open, right? And then it literally tells you every single thing where it came from. So 34% of my 34% of this has come from someplace else. This makes sense because this is actually stuff from the campus's website that I've copied. So it tells you exactly what it is. Okay. This stuff has come from Chafee's website. This has come from a website that I've used called Merlot. This is similar. Actually, this is Chafee information, but this is just a description, here it is, of the course catalog. So it just tells you where everything came, where everything comes from. Now, some things you can't ignore, and that's why I said 10 or 15% is actually probably okay, because for instance here, it's talking about campus due dates, that I got it from someplace else. It just means that campus is from someplace else as well. This information, oh, sorry, down here. Number 7 is, this is the title of a book, a chapter in a book. So yeah, that stuff is borrowed from someplace, okay? So you'll be able to look at this report, and that gives you the opportunity, like I said, I give you the opportunity to go back and fix. So you're more than welcome to go back, click on your paper, make your corrections, and resubmit, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to hit me on the inbox.